There has been calls to government to allow 45 square metre modular homes in order to tackle the housing crisis. These homes are proposed to be exempt from planning permission, and today we're here to look at one.
Come on inside then. So this is our 45 metre squared unit, Deirdre. As you can see here, you have the kitchen. Now people can lay this out whichever way they want. So we left space here for a fridge and a cooker. This island here, actually, just with the 45 metre squared, it is quite small, naturally enough. So you can this actually goes in, so you have more space around here.
And do you want to talk to me about the media wall over here?
Yeah, so this media wall there has become quite popular with most clients now. They can do us a quick sketch, and we have some recommendations, and we will actually make the media wall. You know, if they want a different size TV, if they want a different size fire, we can make it to suit their requirements. They're really good use of space as well, and it just keeps the TV nice and neat, and they can have some pictures here. And them heaters also act as, well, they're a 3D fire, so it looks nice and comfortable, but they actually act as a heater as well. Okay. So as well, the units come with eco electric rads, which are really, really energy efficient. So this is one of the two bedrooms. You've lowered the space. We've actually sized them so that you can put a bed this way, or you can put a bed this way. But if you put the bed this way, it mightn't suit everyone because it's up against the wall, but you do save a lot of space. Again, in the 45 metre squared units, it is all about saving space, you know. So come in here then, and I'll show you the bathroom. So you have a smart mirror here, you have a tap, you have a space for a washing machine there, which we generally leave, and then you have your lovely overhead shower. They all come as standard. And when it comes to services too, we can also say link from an existing house. We can link into these, you know. So we do offer to connect in all the services there too. And then if you go into bedroom 2 here, then I bring into bedroom 2. It's the same size as the one on the far side. And again, Deirdre there, we have loads of space here, you know. So they're 2 big rooms, but the layouts on these units can be changed. Mm-hmm. So if you want to move things around, you can move things around, you know, to suit your own needs. We're standing here in the 45 metre squared house here, which we developed there specifically for the new legislation that's coming into place by government. And this home here is a 2-bed home, and we can bring these up to an A rating if required.
What is the lifespan of a home like this?
The lifespan of our steel frame homes, we give a warranty of 80 years on these, on the main structure. Now that doesn't cover the likes of your flooring or your kitchen cabinets, but for everything else, you know, for the main structural frame, you have an 80-year warranty.
And do these have to have a concrete base, or can they be placed on gravel?
So while these can be placed on gravel, we highly always recommend a concrete base too. With the new legislation that's coming into place, you know, everything, I think a lot of people are assuming that, you know, the buildings, that because they don't need to meet planning permission, that they don't need to meet building compliance. That's not the case. So they still will need to meet building compliance, i.e. fixed onto a concrete base, which we recommend. But people in the past have installed them on stone bases, and that's not an issue, but for compliance, we highly recommend install them on a concrete base. Our standard 45 metre squared, which comes with a fully fit kitchen, floored, painted, coving, skirting, blinds, heating and hot water. So it's basically turnkey, bar you just need to add your furniture and your beds. You're looking at in around 120,000, including VAT and installation.
So we're here in the kitchen and the main living area. My first impressions is that it's really nicely finished. The living area is really modern. The media wall is lovely. When I go through here, we have a bedroom on either side, and we have the bathroom in the middle. So it is quite compact, which means that it mightn't suit everybody's needs.